बिना संघर्ष कोई महान नहीं होता, कि बिना संघर्ष कोई महान नहीं होता, बिना कुछ किए जय जयकार नहीं होता, बिना कुछ किए जय जयकार नहीं होता, जब तक नहीं पड़ती हथौड़े की चोट, जब तक नहीं पड़ती हथौड़े की चोट, तब तक कोई पत्थर भगवान नहीं होता। गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। माय नेम इज संजू कुमारी and today is our presentation session. You know that presentation session is very important for us because it is proof that our English, our speaking and our body language. So you know now time English is also very important for us because now time all products available in the English. That's the main reason it is a very important for us. So आज हम बात कर रहे हैं एक ऐसे पर्सन के बारे में जिसके धर्म का पता लगाना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है. So you guess my topic?
Yes.
No, Sai temple. Okay, Sai, God Sai. Now I explain. Sai is a person, not a god, but every person believe that he is a god because he do the numbers of magic, not a black magic, good magic. And this person is, this person lives. Where do you live? No. Okay, this person in the past time, because now he was a die, and in the past time he lived in the Sardi, but Sirdi place, and this is a place, and now time numbers of temple available in the Sirdi place because Sai is God. That's main reason every person want to remember it, and that's the main reason every person make the big temple. And this person, Sai temple is not a Hindu religion and not a Muslim religion. Because his parents' name is the Ganga Bhav and mother's name is the Devki Giri. This person is very poor, and both are that time he born in the Patri Maharashtra, and that time he was 5 years old. That time this person live in the Brahman family. And then after in the 10 years old, that time his parents give the Hindu religion. Please care my son, and that's care my son. And then after this person, what is this? This person in the Muslim religion, parents is also die. And that time, Gopal Devki Diri, this person care him. And this person always respect and do the worship for the God Vishnu, and that's the main reason God Sai have a numbers of idea how to I do the worship, and also he was the idea how to I help the poor and do the magic. Numbers of information he had numbers of information, and that time he in the 16 years old, then he went to the Sydney place, and that time without eating, without drunk, he lived in the neem tree, and this tree is very big and very old, and he lived. That time some person think maybe this person is mad, just like a man. Maybe this person is mad, and this person think this person is mad, but then 10 day after and 15 day, many day he sit on this tree. That time every person believe no, this is a very great person, and every person believe that, and every person believe maybe this person is God. And that time many years old he lived in the Sydney place, and one day without information he went to the other place. That time every person is weeping and every person is feel sad, and then that day Sydney place one marriage is happened. That time without information he came, and that time every person is happy, and every person is happy and very excited, and every person believe where you go. Then without speaking, Sai temple live, and that numbers do the magic. Just like one day in the Sydney place, rain is so fast. That time every person say, please stop the rain. Then Sai stop the rain. That's the main reason every person believe you are a god. And you know, this person live the one on home, just like this person Sai live in the masjid, but not kept the name in the masjid. He kept the name in the Dwarka Mai, because he respect the all religion. That's the main reason he kept the name of the Dwarka Mai and Dwarka Mai. And this is a very famous now time in the Sydney place and Sydney temple. You know, now time numbers of person went and look the Sydney place, and numbers of big pictures available in the Sydney. And then now in the 15 October 1980 he was a die. I speak the one course. Please listen. महफिल भी रोएगी हर दिल भी रोएगा, महफिल भी रोएगी हर दिल भी रोएगा, डूबेगी मेरी कश्ती तो साहिल भी रोएगा। इतना प्यार बांटूंगा इस दुनिया में आए मेरे दोस्त, इतना प्यार बांटूंगा इस दुनिया में आए मेरे दोस्त, कि मेरे मरने के बाद मेरे आशिक तो क्या, मेरे कातिल भी रोएंगे। So you know one thing, remember, maybe God Sai have no enemy, but this is a depend on this person. So thank you everyone.